Welcome back, everyone. This is another 3-Minute Thursday video. We have a special guest, Roy. Today we are going to put a bike chain on the pedal side of this Puch Magnum. First thing I'm going to do is clean up the pedal shaft. Alright. This is a standard single speed or 3-speed chain. You can get these at a hardware store. These are what you need for a moped, not the multi-speed 10-speed mountain bike or road bike chain, because those are thinner. This is a standard chain brake. You can get these at a hardware store or bike store as well. Inside there will be a master link. Make sure to save that. Untangle the chain and put it on. When you're deciding where the chain length is going to end, you have to remember that it has to be an inner and an inner. So when we remove this outer, you'll be left with an inner. If you do outer to an inner, like if you were to do this link to this link, you need a half link. But if you do an inner to an inner, you can use a regular master link. Take a marker or something and mark this link. Using this chain brake, slide the chain in. Tighten this and press out that little pin. And then loosen it. This one I have to press it just a little bit further. There we go. Now you have two inner links and they'll go together with this master link. Put the chain back on the bike. Slide the master link in from the back. Slide the front piece on. And then put this little clip on, and you want this clip in the rotation that it'll be spinning. You can use the needle nose pliers to pop this on. There you go. One more thing before I go. One more thing is we should adjust this to make it tighter. Easiest way to do that is to loosen this guy and then use a flathead on the back side to tension it while we tighten this. Put a flathead in here and tension it by turning it counterclockwise and then tighten the other side. Thanks for watching another episode of 3-Minute Thursdays. Please like and subscribe.